Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing your mouse pointer size on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Start button and select Settings. You want to select Bluetooth and devices on the left side, and then on the right side you want to go down and select mouse. So go ahead and left click on that. So at this point, if you want to change the mouse pointer size, you can scroll down and select where it says mouse pointer. At this point, you can adjust the size by scrolling it to the right to make it larger or smaller. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.